Hello, this is my portfolio for Education 385, History, Culture, and Society. The welcome page is this one right here. It's the About Me. I did talk about myself briefly, and I added a picture of myself. The next one is my educational philosophy. I also put in all of my major course assignments, which are listed right here. I'm only going to go over three of them, which is the first one is going to be the cultural learning experience. This one I felt like best describes me or represents me as a social studies teacher because I am very big on appreciating differences and trying to incorporate diversity into the classroom so that students understand that we are different, but at the same time we can be the same. So I feel like the cultural learning experience really gave me the opportunity to step out of my bubble and try to appreciate somebody else's culture and how they lived and just a different part of even just going a couple cities over and seeing that it's a lot different from where I grew up. So I feel like this really helped me to understand that aspect, and I can appreciate diversity a lot more than I thought that I did. The next one that I want to go over is the twin text assignment. This one is my favorite assignment that we did. This is the one I'm most proud of doing. I feel like the amount of time that I spent on it and the effort that I put into it, like really represented who I am. It's very like put together and strategically placed, and like the boxes and everything had to be in order. So I just feel like it represented me and who I was. But I made sure to incorporate like the books, obviously, in the titles and pictures so that people could like visually see what I was talking about and incorporate the facts that was needed for it. So yeah, that was probably my most proud work that I did throughout the semester. And the last one that I want to go over is the unit outline, because I feel like the unit outline was probably the hardest assignment for me to do. It was time consuming, and it was a little bit more thought provoking than I thought it would be when it came to like the questions and accommodations and stuff like that. But it did really like open my eyes to what teachers do. So I really appreciated this assignment in that sense because I can appreciate being organized and trying to get yourself together so that you can follow a pattern throughout the school year. And then the last page just shows the other assignments that we did throughout the semester. And I did like brief explanations on them and like why I incorporated them into my portfolio. So